Welcome to GCL. We are laboratory for testing. Is accredited for testing with the Thai industrial standard. It may and full observed in October 2019 years. GCL laboratory under the control of Thai industrial standard Ministry of Industry. If you need to find GCL on website, you can keyword search tisi.go.th/accreditation/es. To start with, scope of TIS 1195-2536 or IEC 60065 for AV, TV, adapter and set-top box. For the file of test, electrical and electronic file audio, video and similar electronic apparatus, safety requirements, AV, TV, adapter and set-top box. Specific tests for TIS 1195-2536 and TIS 1195-2561. The scope are the same test method but different of the accept class. With the TIS 1195-2561 cover the scope of IEC 60065, but able to test by the GCL will be compared test for products. This scope we have applications, different product or 172 items. This is some customer sample for testing. PC1 television and signal receiver, PC2 LCD television and speaker, and TIS 1375-2549 or IEC 60235-1 for small household product. For small home products, scope of test, household and similar electrical appliances, safety part 1 general requirements. For TIS 1375-2547 and TIS 1375-2563 or IEC 60335-1. Electrical fans, TIS 934-2558 or IEC 60335-2-80. Rice cookers, TIS 1039-2547 or IEC 60335-2-15. Frying pans, TIS 1549-2547 or IEC 60335-2-13. Heating liquids, TIS 2062-225-2558 or IEC 60335-2-15. Grills toaster, TIS 11641-2552 or IEC 60335-2-9. Electric irons, TIS 366-2552 or IEC 60335-2-3. Skin or hair care, TIS 1985-2549 or IEC 60335-2-23. And air purifier, TIS 1516-2549 or IEC 60335-2-65. Now we must improve to the new version TIS 1375-2562 or IEC 60335-1. TIS scope of testing. Those the product of testing for GCL. If you need to test AV, TV, adapter and set-top box, we will test TIS 1195-2536 and TIS 1195-2561. Electrical fans, TIS 94-2558. Rice cooker, TIS 1039-2547. Frying pans, TIS 1509-2547. Heating liquids, TIS 2062-2558. Grills toasters, TIS 1641-2552. electric irons TIS 366-2552, skin or hair care TIS 1985-2549, and air purifier TIS 1516-2549. This is customer sample for testing TIS 1375-2549 or IEC 6035-1 for small household products such as rice cookers for TIS 1039-2547, electric fans TIS 94-2558, electric fryers TIS 1509-2547, grill toasters TIS 1641-2552, skin or hair care TIS 1985-2549, and electric iron TIS 366-2547. For the sample, we have a plan for testing minimum 2 weeks and maximum 4 weeks. By the way, up on different and difficult of the product and test method for the process of testing. When we test finish, next step to TISI for send the test result report. After that, TISI send the report to the customer, therefore completing the testing process. So, what is involved with the test of cross equipment? This is safety equipment extension scope for GCL string standard vibration test specified TIS 1195-2536 and TIS 1195-2561. Specification for vibration tester: vertical 0.35 mm, 10 to 55 to 10 Hz, sweep rate 1 octave per min, and dimension of plug the relevant TIS 166, TIS 1195 for AV TV and set-top box, and TIS 1375 for households. For the appliance plug comply with TIS 166 dimension plug. This is safety lab room. Safety lab room. For the safety lab room, we found the necessary for support test method of TIS 1195-2536 and TIS 1375-2549. In the lab room, everyone must identify by their outside before inside in the lab room because there are a lot of electric. So everyone must be aware regulations of safety lab room. EMC lab room. Emission inside room. It is a laboratory for testing electromagnetic field. When entering the room, you will not be able to contact with outside because in the lab room you cut off all kinds of communication signals so as not to have distraction or interference. Before entering the EMC room, must notify a manager or a colleague for safety and turn on the signal light when there are operation inside. It's very important for laboratory is equipment. We need to present about the vibration table. Vibration table. Testing vibration for simulation movement and transport TV/AV of IEC 60065. Regulation amplitude 0.35 mm, 10 Hz to 55 Hz to 10 Hz, and time 30 minutes. And humidity chamber for condition IEC 60065, humidity control 90 to 95% RH, temperature 40 plus minus 2 Celsius, and time 120 hours. And condition IEC 60335-1, humidity control 93 plus minus 3% RH, temperature 20 to 30 Celsius, and time 48 hours. Oscilloscope for the test one peak and frequency. But there have 500 MHz and functional vertical 1 megavolt to 10 volt per division time, 1 nanosec to 10 sec per division, and discharge box for simulation discharge of current after turn off ETU. Power meter for testing power input product ETU of power volt and amp, and recorder for heating of product with thermocouple for normal and abnormal of product ETU. Any voltage or insulation system for testing insulation resistance and dielectric strength of product ETU. Earth continuous tester have capacity 60 amp, resistance 0.01 that 6 ohm. For testing earth, connect all of product ETU. Global test apparatus part or accessory may reach over high temperature to light up board accessory by malfunction or overload. Growing wire tester simulate to use growing accessory to thermal resource with overload. resistant by resulting his throughput in short time to the risk of fire catching, which is adapt to electric or electronic product, accessory plastic used for part of home use, electric apparatus such as outer shell of on-off relay socket, hidden frame testing instrument in the product. Due to fault conditions such as fault currents flowing towards the liquid pad, overheating of components or parts, poor contact, etc., the frame may be crushed, which may hit the nearby parts again. This test simulates the internal fault conditions of the products. A small frame was produced at the made and the fire hazard spot access using simulation techniques for small parts or components. Vertical wire test or the horizontal and vertical burn test method is not suitable. The needle frame test method can be killed. If the sample ignite when the wire test is performed, the resulting frame hazard situation requires needle frame parts and etc. such as terminal block, centrifugal switch, and rice cooker socket. And the location map. GCL is close to Suvarnabhumi Airport. It takes only 15 minutes from the airport to the company and can travel in many lines as follow. Direction: if your direction from Suvarnabhumi Airport, using the GCL line heading to Bang Phri Tamru Road and enter Bun Mi Sap, turn left and turn right until the end of the outlay. If you want to travel from Bangkok to head to Bang Natrat Road and make a U-turn to Bang Phri Road, enter Bun Mi Sap, turn left and turn right until the end of the alley. And Sukhumvit Road, turn right to Bang Phri Tamru Road, enter Bun Mi Sap, turn left and turn right until the end of the alley. This is GCL located on the right hand side. We are thank you so much for the GCL. We have an affiliate Asia zone at China and Vietnam. If you need to contact, please contact those persons. Thank you for your interest.